guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this running text on CapCut PC. So pretty simple, just select your video here. I'm just going to select this video. Go to text and add in your text and type in anything you want. I'm just going to type in like, don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. There. You can also, actually I'm just going to make it like this. Or you can add in like a rectangle here actually. Like go to library and add in like any color you want. Like this blue maybe underneath that. Like here. Whoopsies. Like here. There we go. And I'm just going to rotate it and I'm going to scale that and I'm going to put this down here. Then I'm going to put the text here as well. I'm trying to make the font smaller. There we go. I'm actually just going to make this shorter as well. There we go. Let's place it like around here. Oh, actually, let's just go to the last part first. And then we are going to select position and size, and we're going to place that to the very right. Sorry, that's to the left. And then here, hopefully you can move it, or else you can just adjust the position from here. And then place it to the right side. Wait, it's the other way around. Actually, it doesn't matter. You can do it like this way or the other way around. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!